Hi there, students. Rorulent. Rorulent. Okay, this is an adjective. It means covered with dew. Dew is this water that sometimes appears on plants in the morning, where the water dissolved in the air liquefies onto the surface of plants. Very often there's dew all over the grass. And this particularly in the early morning. When that freezes, it's called frost. Yeah? So rorulent, covered with dew. We can also use this word to mean something that looks as if it's covered with dust, with some sort of little points of things that could be rubbed off. But I think rorulent is much better for something that's covered in dew. Okay, now careful with this word. This word to me sounds very literary. Yeah, so I'm probably going to give it a 7 in formality. It sounds something that would go well in a poem or something like that. It sounds really quite poetic. One other little caveat with this word as well is there are many different other words with the same meaning. So we've got rorid, yeah, which it means covered in dew. Again, this is probably obsolete. You could say Rory, okay, again, covered in dew. You could also say rural, yeah, rural, covered in dew as well. But I would stick to the rorulent. Okay, so something that's got dew all over the surface. Yeah, so I think you could describe the Rorulent lawn looked beautiful in the morning light, but remember, this is really poetic. Yeah, something like a 7 in formality. This is not the sort of word that most native speakers are going to use. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from ros or roris, talking about the dew. Yeah, the dew is this water that has condensed all over the surface of something in the mornings. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.